Many people struggle to find artwork that resonates with them or fits their home decor, leading to uninspired spaces. I know I've been there too, scrolling through endless pages of generic art pieces that just don't feel like me. It's frustrating, especially when you want your home to truly reflect your personality. And let's be honest, sometimes it feels like all the art out there is just a bit samey. We've all been in that place where we walk into a room and just feel like something's missing. Maybe the walls feel bare, or the colors just don't quite match your vibe. That's often due to a lack of personal touches, and artwork can really make or break a space. But what if you could create something that was truly, uniquely yours? The struggle is real, and it's not just about finding the right piece of art, it's about finding something that speaks to you, that makes you feel something. When you create your own art, you can ensure that it resonates with you on a deeper level. Plus, it's a great conversation starter when you have guests over. We'll explore various abstract painting styles, color palettes, and techniques that you can use to create a cohesive and inviting wall display. Abstract art is all about expression and feeling, and there are countless styles to choose from. You might lean towards bold, vibrant colors, or perhaps you're more drawn to soft, muted tones. The great thing about abstract art, it's open to interpretation, so you can really let your imagination run wild. Some popular styles include geometric abstracts, watercolor abstracts, and expressive brushstroke pieces. Each style offers a unique way to convey emotion and add depth to your space. When it comes to color palettes, the options are endless. You might choose colors that match your existing decor, or you could use your art piece as a chance to introduce some new hues into the room. Techniques like layering, dripping, and splattering can add texture and visual interest to your piece. By experimenting with different styles, colors, and techniques, you can create a truly one-of-a-kind piece that reflects your personality. And the best part? You don't have to be a skilled artist to create something beautiful. Watch as we reveal a step-by-step process to create your own abstract masterpiece, empowering you to bring your vision to life. To get started, you'll need a few basic supplies, including canvas, paint, and some brushes. Don't worry if you're not sure what you're doing at first. The beauty of abstract art is that it's all about experimentation. The process is more about enjoying the journey than getting a perfect result. As you work, think about what you want your piece to convey. What emotions do you want to evoke? What colors and textures will help you achieve that? Recap the key points on selecting styles, colors, and creating your unique piece. Emphasize how easy it is to personalize your space. With these tips and a bit of creativity, you can turn your wall into a stunning reflection of your personal style. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other art tutorials and let us know in the comments what designs you want to try.